Welcome! Today we will learn how to crochet a simple bow. So let's get started. Start with a slip knot. And chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And join it with a slip stitch. Then chain 4. For this half of the bow, I made 4 chains because I will work treble crochets. I'm inserting the hook into the center of the ring. And complete the treble crochet. And another one. This is the third. I'm working treble crochet stitches. Now it's 4. Five. I'll leave this tail here for now because I'll need to use it in the end. So I won't weave it in or cut it, I'll leave it as it is. Continue our work with treble crochet. Now we've completed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th. And this is the 8th. Chain 4. And finish off this half of the bow. So now we've completed the first half of the bow, the right half. We started with 4 chains and worked take treble crochets and finished with another 4 chains. I'll start the second half with 4 chains as well. And I'll work the same 8 treble crochets. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going into the center of the ring I made at the beginning. 5. 6. 7. And 8. Chain 4. And finish off this half with a slip stitch. Then yarn over, pull through and finish it off with a last chain. And pull it up a little bit long as we can see. And a little longer. Now I have the length I need. So I'll cut it off. I'll remove this end of the yarn ball. This is the tail I pulled, pull it more tight like so. And this is the tail we left at the beginning. I'll grab the long tail I pulled and wrap it around the center. To tighten the bow more at the center, I'm making the wraps beside each other. like so. This is the back side of the bow. We turned it around. The back side. Grab the tail we left at the beginning and what's left of the other tail after we wrapped it and tied them together. And that's why I left this tail at the beginning. I used it to make a knot with the other tail. And I still have both ends here so I can use them to attach the bow to anything. And if I don't need them I can weave them in with a yarn needle and cut the left ends. So we made this bow with treble crochet stitches. We can make it smaller with double crochets. These two are done same size as this one with treble crochets. This is a little bigger with double treble crochets. So if we wanted it bigger we'll increase the length of the stitch by making one more loop. Now we've completed the simple bow. Thank you.